right, let's start this bulletin with a top story that we are tracking. Afghanistan Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi has arrived in Darul Uloom Deoband, praising the historic linkages between Deoband and Afghanistan. He warned Pakistan following recent Kabul explosions, calling Islamabad's border airstrikes wrong and cautioning that such provocations could have serious consequences. All right, so Afghanistan's foreign minister is in Uttar Pradesh, in Darul Uloom Deoband. He will, of course, be visiting there. He'll be also speaking to the students there. He's been speaking about the historical ties between Darul Uloom and Taliban. All of them probably is going to reflect in that address, which is going to speak there. This is a 6 days visit of the Talibani foreign minister to India, and also, of course, a renewed ties between India and Afghanistan, especially after Taliban has taken over of Afghanistan. So this is a very significant visit of Amir Khan Muttaqi to India. CNN News 18's Anshul Singh is joining us live from Deoband, who's tracking this visit of the foreign minister of Afghanistan here in India. Anshul, what is the itinerary of the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan? Who all are accompanying him to Darul Uloom today?
Well, he has just arrived in Darul Uloom. The basic itinerary that has been set up over here is that a meeting will be done between the head of Darul Uloom, Maulana Madni, and the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. This meeting will happen for at least 2 hours, and then after the namaz that will be offered in the afternoon, there is a lunch that has been prepared, a program of a lunch that has been made over here. Apart from that, then yet again from 2 p.m. We are expecting that a media interaction would start, in which the meetings and the statements would be given, and this is definitely a very significant message that is being given out. The roots of Darul Uloom and how significant is this institute is something that is being that is visible over here. And as we are speaking just now, the foreign minister has just arrived in Darul Uloom, and he has been welcomed by thousands and thousands of people who have arrived over here or who take their religious education from Darul Uloom. So all these people are now trying to welcome, somewhere or the other, go ahead and welcome the foreign minister of Afghanistan. Definitely a very loud and clear message is actually being given out at this point. So within the next few minutes, we can expect that the itinerary that has been made up, that itinerary will be followed.
Yes.
But how will that have? But the exact significance of this entire visit is something that is still being ascertained at this point.
And in fact, Anshul, we can see the visuals on our screens right now of the entire cavalcade of Amir Khan Muttaqi reaching there at Darul Uloom Deoband. It's a very important meeting. And also, if you can, Anshul, tell us about that historical ties between Darul Uloom Deoband and Afghanistan, because that's what the Afghanistan foreign minister has been speaking about, their historical background behind both Taliban and Darul Uloom.
Well, definitely, Darul Uloom is a historic place in our country as well. The first stone of Darul Uloom was in fact laid back in the 19th century itself, and since then, the school of thought, the Darul Uloom school of thought, has become very significant and is actually being followed by a lot of people, not only in India but across South Asia, including places like Afghanistan and Iraq as well. The school of thought is followed everywhere by most people, and that is the reason why we are seeing that the foreign minister of Afghanistan has come all the way over here to Deoband to visit Darul Uloom, because that is where their history actually starts of Islam, specifically over here in Southeast Asia, and hence it is a very significant day and very significant. Very significant space that has been made at this point in time. So definitely, there are the meetings are about to start at this point. But yes, this is one of the most significant visits that has been made by the Taliban leaders over here, specifically in India, which clearly indicates that how the relationship between both the countries are constantly improving. Also, a larger message is being given out from the side of the Indian government as well, where at one point in time it was being said that Pakistan and Afghanistan are very close aides, but the conditions that have happened over the past few years, specifically over the past few weeks, definitely this message is also being given out that India and Afghanistan are very close friends, and hence they can actually a larger message of cooperation is also being given out from here. So definitely this is being seen as a very, very significant move. What is achieved from this visit is something that the MEA and the Foreign Ministry of Afghanistan will tell us. But definitely this is one of the most significant and historic moves that has happened since the time Taliban has come to power in Afghanistan.
And Anshul, take us through about the visuals that you see. I'm sure you were there outside the Darul Uloom in Deoband. What you see, what are the preparations like, and how is the mood, especially in the students and the people there in Darul Uloom?
It is absolutely unprecedented. The number of people who are gathered over here, the number of students who are gathered over here, the people who take their religious education from Darul Uloom, all of them are on their toes. All of them are absolutely excited. The visuals that I'm seeing in front of my eyes at this point in time, there could be somewhere around 8 to 10,000 people who have gathered over here. And it is actually becoming a very uphill task for the administration over here to control the crowd as well, because 8 to 10,000 people are present inside the campus of Darul Uloom, which is a very, very significant number. But somewhere or the other, discipline is being maintained at this point in time. In fact, the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan has still not been able to step out from his vehicle, which tells an entire story of struggle that is being done by the administrators over here to make sure that he is in a safe space, he is in a safe place, and the entire program could go ahead without any unruly behavior that could happen. But yes, the crowd that has gathered over here is absolutely unprecedented. They are showering their love, respect to the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan. They are throwing flower petals on his vehicle as well. So definitely the welcome has been very good, but the crowd that has gathered over here, that tells some story in itself of how deep does the connection between India and Afghanistan run, and how deep are the connections between Taliban and Darul Uloom as well.
And Anshul, of course, we know it's a very, very important visit, and therefore, since you've travelled through various routes to Darul Uloom, what is the administration's arrangement there that you see on the ground to facilitate, a proper, peaceful visit of Amir Khan Muttaqi to this area? And is there anybody from the government side who's accompanying him there?
No one from the Indian government is accompanying him at this point. This visit to Darul Uloom is being seen as a personal visit that is being made by the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan, basically to revisit his roots from where his origins started, and that is what is being done. If we talk about the preparations that have been made from the side of the administration, specifically inside the campus of Darul Uloom, there are a very few police officers. In fact, the entire security is being managed by the committee of Darul Uloom itself. They are trying to manage the law and order situation over here. But yes, apart from the campus, outside the gates of the campus, yes, there are arrangements that have been made to make sure that the law and order situation always remains under control, because there, as I mentioned, there are thousands and thousands of people who have now flocked this entire area, and hence maintaining absolute discipline is something that is still a very, very uphill task. And as I was mentioning, that it has been at least 10 minutes since the time the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan has arrived inside Darul Uloom, and he has still not been able to step out of his vehicle, which tells an entire story of how difficult it is getting for the administration to make sure that the law and order situation remains absolutely under control. But yes, this visit that is being that has been done is definitely being seen as a big move and a big message being given out from the side of the Indian government to the entire world of how India and Afghanistan are now closer than ever, and these relationships will go north from henceforth. So definitely this is the larger message that is being given out. But yes, the manner in which this visit is being done over here in Darul Uloom, what I can see on the ground is that it is getting difficult for the management committee of Darul Uloom to actually manage the crowd over here and to make sure that the foreign minister of Afghanistan stays safe and is allowed to follow his entire itinerary.
It's a very significant visit of Amir Khan Muttaqi to India, and this is probably the reason why Pakistan is getting jittery, and we saw those attacks from Pakistan side in Kabul. Anshul, if you can also tell us about, I'm sure did you get a chance to speak to students or people there? What is the sentiments like, how they're looking forward to this visit of a Talibani leader or Afghanistani foreign minister to Darul Uloom?
Yes, there is the excitement over here is definitely palpable. You can even from these visuals, it is very, very clearly evident that how the students are absolutely excited to welcome the foreign minister of Taliban. In fact, he has just stepped out from his vehicle for the first time inside the campus of Darul Uloom, and he is now making his way to meet Arshad Madni, where a 2-hour-long meeting will happen. Yes, talking about these scenes over here, talking about the excitement over here, definitely there is a lot of excitement. The frenzy is something that can be seen on the ground. People are trying to run from one position to other just so that they can get that one frame of the of Amir Khan Muttaqi. So this tells an entire story of how people are also very welcoming over here. They are respecting the foreign minister who has arrived over here, and definitely this is a larger message that is being given out specifically to Pakistan as well. Because remember when Pakistan concept of Pakistan had come up, then the first president or prime minister of Pakistan had in fact said that Pakistan will be a laboratory of Islam. But this what is happening today definitely tells a very clear message that it is India who respects all the religions, and it is through India that such big massive religions can take birth and then survive in absolute peace as well. So this is the larger messaging that is being done from the side of Darul Uloom as well. So yes, in the next few hours we can expect some official statement that would be made from the foreign minister himself. What does he have to say? That is something that is going to be very, very important.
That's right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Anshul, for bringing us all these details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this. But thank you for now. In fact, we have a reaction of Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Foreign Affairs Minister of Afghanistan. Let's listen in.
India has always stood by Afghan people and has assisted them in many areas. This visit will increase or strengthen the understanding between both countries and open a new chapter between these relations. We will not allow any group to threaten anyone else or use the territory of Afghanistan against others.
अफगानियों का हौसले नहीं आजमाया, उसको ज़्यादा छेड़ना अगर लोग करता है तो वो एक बार अंग्रेज़ से पूछे, फिर सोवियत यूनियन से पूछे, फिर अमेरिका से पूछे, फिर नाटो से पूछे, ताकि वो आपको थोड़ा सा समझाए कि भाई अफ़गानिस्तान के साथ ऐसा खेल करना ये अच्छा नहीं है।